The DEWALT 6-gallon air compressor is a robust tool that is perfect for a variety of pneumatic tasks due to its heavy-duty design and maximum pressure of 165 pounds per square inch. This compressor's oil-free pump ensures long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance, delivering 2.6 standard cubic feet per minute at 90 pounds per square inch for extended tool operation and fast recovery. Designed for convenience, it includes a cord wrap feature, making storage and transport easy, whether you are on the job site or working in your garage. A high-efficiency motor allows for easy startups even in cold conditions or when using an extension cord, providing reliable performance in diverse environments. Operating at a noise level of 78.5 decibels, the compressor offers a quieter work environment, which is a significant advantage for prolonged use. Weighing just 30 pounds, this lightweight unit is easy to carry and store, making it a portable yet powerful choice for any professional or DIY enthusiast.